In this video, I'll guide you through how to unlink or remove Google Calendar from Dubsado. If you've decided to stop using Google Calendar with your Dubsado account, or you're planning to switch to a different calendar provider, removing the existing connection is a quick and straightforward process. Disconnecting a calendar can help prevent unwanted syncing and ensure your scheduling setup reflects the tools you're currently using. Fortunately, Dubsado allows you to manage your connected calendars directly from your account settings. To begin, sign into your Dubsado account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you've logged in, look for your account name in the left-hand menu. Click on your account name to open the account menu, then select Settings. This is where you'll find all of the configuration options for your Dubsado account, including calendar integrations. After the settings page opens, click on the Calendar section. Here you'll see any calendar services that are currently connected to your Dubsado account. If your Google Calendar has already been linked, it will appear in this area along with its current connection status. Locate the Google Calendar connection and look for the option to disconnect it. Click Disconnect to begin removing the integration. Depending on your account setup, Dubsado may display a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to remove the calendar connection. This extra step helps prevent accidental changes to your scheduling settings. If you're certain you want to proceed, confirm the action. Dubsado will then remove the Google Calendar integration from your account. After a brief moment, the page will refresh, and you'll see that the calendar is no longer connected. Once the calendar has been disconnected, new scheduling activity in Dubsado will no longer sync with that Google Calendar. If you're planning to use a different calendar service, you can return to the same calendar settings page at any time and connect a new provider whenever you're ready. That's all there is to it. You've successfully removed your Google Calendar connection from Dubsado. Managing your calendar integrations is an important part of keeping your scheduling workflow organized and making sure you're only syncing with the services you actively use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.